Hey there, PSYCH Authority family. Today we are going to talk about a topic that many of you have been asking about: how to win your ex back from a rebound relationship. Now, breakups can be tough, and seeing your ex move on so quickly can be even more challenging. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some proven strategies to help you reclaim your love. So let's dive right in. Now, if your ex is in a rebound relationship and you want a detailed blueprint for getting them back, hit the links in the description and the pinned comment below. Part 1. Understanding rebound relationships. First, let's understand what a rebound relationship is. It's a relationship that someone enters shortly after a breakup, often as a way to cope with the pain and the loneliness. These relationships tend to be short-lived and may not have a strong emotional foundation. Now, it's essential to recognize that your ex might be in a rebound relationship to fill the void left by your breakup. And this means that their new relationship might not be as strong as it seems, giving you an opportunity to rekindle your love. Part 2. Self-improvement and reflection. Now, before trying to win your ex back, take some time for self-improvement and reflection. Focus on becoming the best version of yourself by working on personal growth, mental health, and self-confidence. Reflect on the reasons behind your breakup and identify areas where you can improve. Now, this will not only make you more attractive to your ex, but also help you build a stronger relationship if you get back together. Part 3. Reestablishing communication. Now, once you have worked on yourself, it's time to reestablish communication with your ex. You can start by reaching out casually without putting any pressure onto them. Share updates about your life and show genuine interest in their well-being. Now, as you rebuild your connection, avoid talking about the past or their current relationship. Focus on creating positive experiences and memories together, which will help remind your ex of the good times that you shared. Part 4. Showcasing your growth. Now, as you reconnect with your ex, make sure to showcase the personal growth that you have achieved since the breakup. Demonstrate how you've become a better partner and how you have addressed the issues that led to your breakup. Now, by showing your ex that you have changed for the better, you will increase your chances of winning them back, as they will see that you're committed to making the relationship work this time around. Now, if your ex is in a rebound relationship and you want a detailed blueprint for getting them back, hit the links in the description and the pinned comment below. Winning your ex back from a rebound relationship can be challenging, but with patience, self-improvement, and effective communication, you can reclaim your love. Remember, the key is to focus on becoming the best version of yourself and demonstrating your commitment to a healthy, happy relationship. Good luck out there, and don't forget to subscribe to PSYCH Authority for more psychology and relationship advice. And then you can click right here for another great relationship and psychology video, and I will see you there.